In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger step by step. Transferring your domain might seem daunting at first, but I promise it's easier than you think. With a few simple steps, you can successfully transfer your domain and get your website up and running on a new platform. Let's dive in and start with the process. First, we'll be heading over to Hostinger's website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the option to manage your existing domains. You're going to click on the Manage button. This action is a crucial starting point, as you'll need to initiate the process of adding your GoDaddy domain here. After clicking Manage, the next step is to navigate to the Website section within Hostinger. This area is where you will manage all the websites associated with your account. Click on it to proceed to the next screen. Now that you're in the right section, you'll see an option to add a new website. Click on Add Website to begin linking your GoDaddy domain to your Hostinger account. The following step is to choose the Other option. This is specifically for instances when your domain isn't originally hosted on Hostinger, which applies in our case since we are using a GoDaddy domain. Next, you'll encounter the Skip option. Go ahead and click Skip. You won't need to proceed with that particular setup since our focus is on transferring an existing domain. Then you will see Use Existing Domain. Click on it to continue. Here's where you have to enter the domain name you want to transfer from GoDaddy. Go to your GoDaddy account, locate the specific domain you're transferring, and copy its name. Back in Hostinger, paste that domain name into the required field and click on Continue. This action starts the official domain transfer process. Now, turn your attention back to GoDaddy. You need to edit the DNS settings to point your domain to Hostinger. Find the option for DNS management and scroll down until you locate the name servers section. You will see the option to change them. Click on Change. For this part, you'll provide the custom Hostinger name servers. Click on the left side, paste the new name server details, and save the changes. This reassignment is crucial for redirecting your web traffic correctly to Hostinger. After updating, copy your name server information and ensure it's accurately reflected where needed. Once you've pasted everything correctly, return to the area that allows you to confirm your changes. Finally, click Continue to seal the deal. Your transfer process is now initiated. Remember, domain transfers might take up to a few days to complete fully, but you're well on your way to having your GoDaddy domain hosted efficiently on Hostinger. Congratulations on taking those steps, and give yourself a pat on the back for completing this transfer process.